Welcome back to another episode of Fragrance Fiends, your man Frank C. Just want to do something a little different today. I'm doing a quick unboxing of a fragrance that I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with. It has its naysayers, it has its fans. It might not be for everybody. And it's a fragrance I've been meaning to add to my collection for a while. It is Gucci Guilty Absolute. And it's actually a really specific thing because it's a gift set. A few years ago in Nordstrom Rack, they had this 3.4 ounce EDP with a beard oil and a beard brush at Nordstrom Rack, but I passed on it, unfortunately. But I was able to find one recently online, and it should be in pretty good shape. So let's open it up and see what we have here. Let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. This is nicely bubble wrapped. They package it nicely. Guilty Absolute. So this is it. This is the gift set. The inside of this box should be the beard oil, the EDP, and the brush. Let's see. Oh, okay. Comes with a bag of some sort too. I don't know this coming with it, but okay. All right. Now, hold on. This looks like a pretty big bottle. This looks like a pretty big bottle. This might be a 5.1. Wow. So see, there you go. That's a big bottle. And it is a oh yeah. It is a 5.1. Wow. Okay. What a deal. So 5.1 ounces of Gucci Guilty Absolute. And I got the beard oil here. That looks pretty much intact. Set that right there. 5.1. That's nice. Set the beard oil out. Beard oil. Yep, get the beard oil right there. Very nice. Yeah. Okay. Oh man, that's nice. A little dropper. A little dropper so you can drop it in your hand and put it on. It's an ounce of that. And then the brush. Yep. They said it might have a little couple bristles missing or out of whack because it was put back in incorrectly. Apparently the guy has a Gucci Parfums beard brush. So yeah, that'll work straight out the box. All right. So he said he never used it. That's one of my hairs in there right now. So all right. Yep. Smells fresh. So I think I got a good deal. People. Good deal for Familia. Good deal. This set cost me $56 shipped. At Nordstrom Rack, they were selling this for a set 2 years ago for $60. So got it, comparable price. Let's see this. Yep, that's Gucci Guilty Absolute. It's the official set. Looks like it. He might not have used it. Comes straight out after a couple pulls. Oh yeah, that's good. Good stuff. All right, Fragrance Fiends Familia, thank you. I just want to do something a little different, a quick unboxing of my Gucci Guilty Absolute set. Got a great deal. So that's just to say if, if you're looking for something in particular and it might be sold everywhere, don't knock looking online at reputable sellers. So this guy had 100% rating. I don't know if this is the actual Gucci bag. I don't know. But yep, don't ever discount your reputable sellers online. It was the real deal. I've been looking for this for 2 years. Sold out everywhere, and I got it. So, and yep, so good to go. Okay, Mr. Familiar, thank you very much. Until next time, take care.